Hi, in this tutorial I'll talk about this tool, create spirals. Let's grab the tool and by dragging create a spiral. Now you notice that this tool expands from center by default, apart from some of the other tools that I already talked about. Let's add in some stroke here so we see better the shape. Something like this. Let's close this. We have two control points here. The outside one will allow you to unroll and roll the spiral from the outside, and this one will allow you to do that from the inside. Here, by holding down the control key, we can snap to an angle. Also, we can hold down the shift key and this will allow us to rotate the shape without actually unrolling the spiral. Also, we can scale it. The inside control point, again by holding down the control key, we can snap to an angle, and by holding down the Alt key we will be able to converge or diverge the shape. You see how this works? With this option here we can return to the default state of the shape. We have a few more options here. This one turns. Let's enter 10 here. You see how this changes the shape. Next one is divergence. You see how this works. Again, let's return the shape to the default state. And this one, inner radius. Let's write 10 here again. This basically unrolls the shape from the inside. So that's the basics of this tool. Subscribe, like the video. Bye for now.